All right, firsties, you ready to learn something new with time again? It's something you probably hear your parents say, but I don't think kids really say it very much. So now you're going to understand what they're saying, and maybe you can even use it too. So I'm going to use one of my favorite examples. Here at Steadley, the kids can get breakfast as long as they come in before 8 o'clock. So I made my long hand. Yours is red too. If you have your little clock, you can do it too. We're not going to look at the blue hand today. We're just going to look at the hour hand. Sometimes watches only have an hour hand, and you kind of have to guess on the minutes. So mine is almost pointing to the 8. Can you see that? If they come in at almost 8 o'clock, the kids can get breakfast. If they come in right at 8 o'clock, they can still get breakfast. But if they come in past 8 o'clock, look, it's on the other side of the 8. They can't get breakfast. It's too late. The kitchen is closed. So today we're working on the two phrases, almost and past, just past. All right, so let's see. If I tell you we are on Zoom at 10 o'clock and you get on Zoom at this time, it is almost 10 o'clock, right? And that means you're going to be just a little bit early. You'll have some chit chat time. Now, if you get on Zoom at this time, just past 10 o'clock or 10:45 here in Mrs. Wersch's class, what's going to happen? Your class is already going to be started, and it means you probably missed some stuff. Now, if you're right on time, if you're right at 10 o'clock, you'll be there for the beginning. All right, let's think of another time you might use just past. If you are headed to a birthday party, and let's say your birthday party starts at 1 o'clock. Are you going to want to leave your house at almost 1 o'clock? Or are you going to want to leave your house at just past 1 o'clock? You don't want to leave it just past 1 o'clock, do you? You'll be late. The party's already started. So be sure to leave your house just before 1 o'clock so you make it to the party on time. All right, now, drawing the lines a little harder, and you will have to do that a couple times, but most of the time they'll have you circle which time in your practice today. So let's try it. All right, this time, do you think it's almost 2 o'clock? Or do you think it's just past 2 o'clock? We haven't gotten there yet, have we? It's almost 2 o'clock. Now let's do it with your clock. Get out your handy dandy yellow beautiful clock. Let's do almost 2 o'clock. Can you, oh, mine's set way down there. I'm gonna have to go around several times. There's 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Okay. I'm not gonna touch that 12 yet, but I'm getting close. It is almost 2 o'clock. I wish we could move these hands separately. Well, I guess you can, but it's gonna fly that blue hand around there. Now, if you have a party at 2 o'clock, starts at 2 o'clock, and you show up at just past 2 o'clock, okay, that might be a bit much. That's 2:30. If you show up just past 2 o'clock, you're gonna miss the beginning, right? All right, my timekeepers, do your work. Let me see it.